This is a scenario no one wants to think about, but in the world of crypto banking, preparation is everything. We're talking about Bitwala, and specifically, what happens if their crucial partner institution fails. Bitwala, now Nuggs, isn't a bank itself. They rely on licensed, established banking partners to provide the essential services like the German IBAN, the debit card, and the regulatory protection. Think of it as a tandem system. Nuggs provides the crypto access and user experience. The partner provides the traditional financial backbone. Now, let's explore that worst case what if. If the banking partner goes bust, the first, most important thing to understand is the safety net. In Germany, like much of the EU, deposits are protected up to €100,000 per customer under the statutory deposit guarantee scheme, or Einlagensicherung. This means the money held in your actual euro bank account associated with Nuggs is insured. It's separate from Nuggs' own assets. So, your cash is safe, though accessing it might take time during the partner's insolvency proceedings. What about your Bitcoin and other crypto? That's the key difference. Your crypto is held in separate wallets, often managed by a regulated crypto custodian partner, not the traditional bank. This makes the crypto asset structurally independent from the banking partner's failure. Your crypto should remain secure and accessible, though transferring it out might be delayed while Nuggs transitions to a new partner. The real immediate impact? Disruption. The card might stop working. IBAN transfers could be suspended. Nuggs would have to quickly execute a business continuity plan, transferring all operations, card services, SEPA transfers, IBANs, to a new or existing partner. This transition is complex and will mean service downtime. Ultimately, your funds, both euro and crypto, are protected by regulatory structures and segregated custody models. While a partner failure is messy and stressful, it's designed not to wipe out your principal. It's a good reminder to always understand who holds your keys and who holds your cash. Stay safe out there.